welcome everyone. Let's drink water first and kick our video. How's everybody doing? Yes, the market is pretty volatile. I'm watching this stock did almost 50% now. It's called HUDI. What a roller coaster ride for this stock. The price jumped from 104, went down when the market opened, sold off around the 50, and guess what? Jump again until the 200 mark. This pretty volatile stock. However, the volume is just less than 1 million. So be extra careful because it's heavily manipulated. That's why the price went from the 100 to the 50, then from the 50 to the 200. What's going on, everyone? Welcome, George in the house, Elite in the house, Crypto Talentino. Welcome, brother, welcome. Exactly, drinking water and coffee. I don't know how those two things mix up. I don't get your question, George. Ape new button. I don't get this question. Let me just refresh before everybody join us. We have the Power Hour. Let me refresh. Google have 3% now. Microsoft, Tesla is the biggest loser in the list now. Let me just check HUDI is still pumping. We got the most gainer in our list here. The first one is HUDI and the second one is SATX. The second one I don't like because the chart is barcoding and the volume is light. So I don't like this one. PKBO doing really good, but I don't like it when the market opened. The price was below our breakout zone, the $6.90. Here we open, the price went down, then we broke our resistance area and we did 50%. After we cleared the $6.70, we did almost 40%. Now confirmed resistance is around the $10.23. We might get this breakout the next week. So we have to put this on our list for the next week hunt. Please remind me because this stock, they have potential if we overcome the $10.30. And the bottom should be the $6.90. We might see a huge bump for the next week for this pretty volatile stock. MULN went to our bottom that we discussed in the pre-market. Hopefully you saw our pre-market today and we suggest that 26 cents should be our bottom. MULN. Yes, we did two videos today because we got huge requested stocks. MULN was the first stock on our list and we discussed the bottom for MULN. We suggest the 26 cents. You see here we said that 26 cents should be our bottom for today if we don't overcome the 30 cents. So we suggest that the price, if we never overcome the 36 cents, we're gonna go toward the 26 cents. So the price, went until the 28, I think, or the 30 in the pre-market, then went down to the 26 cents. It was a great hunt for us. The price went 8% up. Who hunt for MULN for today? It was a great hunt for us. Oh yeah, Ape is down, I know. I will check it out, of course, George. GSAT got rejected, Elite. GSAT got rejected around our resistance. Unfortunately, that's why the price went 9% down. However, You see the $2.30 was resistant. Boom, the price went down 10%. Now we holding an important support above the $1.89. This will be an interesting area to buy the dip for GSAT. If we held it, this would be the bottom for GSAT for the next week before the next bump. Yes. Now I'm watching the project on Mixi Global, because those project is pumping even if the market is still consolidating for crypto. We got a lot of project that I'm watching. You see it here, 60%, 53%. This one 47% jump, really crazy, but not every project is good. You see this one, the chart doesn't look good, it's paracoding, so I will never put it on my list. This one is looking good. It was barcoding, but the volume came in heavily, so this one have a potential. This token it's called the QUOTH. So yeah, this one have a potential if we're still holding above the 0.2063. Something hit our scan. Something is hitting our scan. Meta breaking our resistance. There's a potential for Meta to squeeze now before the market close. Power hour for Meta. Yes, there is a huge potential for Meta now. The 90, it was a turning point for Meta. We might see another pump before the market close until, yeah, another 2%, 92. We might see a test for the 92 before the market close. Yeah, the 92.40. So we watch, if we close the 5-minute, this 5-minute candle above this AMA, this will be a game on for Meta. Look what's going to happen. There's a huge test now around this AMA. If we get rejected, it's not good. If we overcome it, it's being good. Let me just check. Yes, we need this 5-minute candle closing above this AMA to give us a confirmation. Here we have a fake out and rejection. You see what's happened now? Red candle, and there's fight happening. Yeah, we need to hold above the 90 for Meta to go higher, to make this our bottom. As we suggest, the 86 is our bottom. So now the market maker buying Meta before the market close because it's getting near the price value. Yes, it's doing good. It's doing good now. What else? Let me just check Hodai again. Yeah, it's dipping. This one is dipping toward the 100. We might have a test again for the 100 or the 97 dip. Here, will be a nice dip to buy for this stock, because here we're gonna have a huge buying pressure again. Boom, the price would go here before the market close, then going higher again around the 127. Let me just check how much we can do before the market close. If we went here, yeah, another 20%, give or take, yeah, 20%. So I will be watching. I already put my alert around the 104. We might visit this area before the market close. What else is bombing? We have the most loser for today is long. Yes, LUNG. Oh man, this went 60% down. Imagine. Oh man, I don't want to be cut in this dip. Look, the market open. You can't do anything. No stop loss, no nothing, man. Price open, boom, gapped. So that's why we don't suggest to hold overnight. And guess what? Even the earning was good. The revenue, of course, is bad, but the earning is good. Yesterday, I think the earning was after hours. And guess what? The price opened and went down. You see, sometimes even the fundamental is good, the prices sell off, you know, like making no sense. That's why I don't suggest to trade based just on the fundamental, guys. It's really dangerous. It's really dangerous to trade the earnings. It's really dangerous to trade the news, unless there's an exception for every time the rules, which is if you have inside news. This is illegal, I know. I don't suggest anybody do it. However, if you know 100% or you are, you know that the news have FDA approval for any stock or something, pretty good before it like hit the stock market or hit the general public, you gonna make money. Otherwise, it's the news that doesn't make any it never make you any money. Yes, press the like button and the weigh in and share our live streaming for your friends and family. So if you know someone who never trade before or he want to trade before, you can just share our live streaming, because that's what we do. We try to make everybody trade against the market or against the insiders, because usually trader or new trader, when they see this dip, they just jump and buy, and this is dangerous. Look, if you want to buy the dip, you don't buy blindly. Imagine if the market open and you buy around this dip, okay? 5-minute candle, price open. Oh man, the price discount. Yesterday it was 12 and today it was 8. Okay, this is the bias. Always new traders have this bias. They think about the best price and they think it's discounted price right now around the 8. So they buy. And guess what? The price halted because of course after few minutes and we have a price jump like this, the price normally halt for any stock. And guess what? You buy and you think that the price will go higher because it's already discounted, but guess what? The price went down again and gapped and opened where? Around the $6. And guess what? You average down around the $6 and the price continued to go down. This is the scenario that happened for a lot of traders this year, because we entered a bearish market, and yet like last year we are in bullish market. So a lot of people got caught in this kind of behavior, buying the dip, because last year was easy. You buy and the price jump, recorrect a bit and then continue to go higher. So now we have to change our strategy. Hunter wave strategy is the best way, because you enter, you exit, whatever happened for the market, you already took your profit. So this is a really good example to take the biggest loser for today and make this example of buying the dip, which is really dangerous. That's why we suggest never buying blindly. Hi Naeem, welcome. Happy to see you here, brother. Great question from Rabaz. For Neo, are we gonna go to the 14 or are we going back to 8? I don't know about the 8. If we go back to the 5, would be a good discount for Christmas, I think, for Neo. Oh man, George, I can feel you, brother. I can feel you for CI. Yeah, it's continued to go down and we don't have a breakout from our resistance. Let me show you what's going on with CI. Then we're gonna go back to NEO. Of course, we're gonna discuss NEO because there's a breakout for NEO now. Will happen around the $11.56. This would be a turning point for NEO right now. And should be our support. Let me just put this there. So the price will squeeze before in the last hour, as actually we just have 45 minutes before the market close. So for NEO, we might see the 14 for the next week. Actually, we can see the 14. If we just clear the 11 now, the 11, this one is turning point. 1156. If we close it below, before the market close, perfect, man. The 1156. This will be a turning point. Otherwise, the price will break the $11.20 and continue to go down. So just watch out. Let me just go to CI for George. Yes, George, I can feel you, brother. Look what's going on with CEI. Yes, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look good to me. Look. Another breakdown from our ascending line. We have a bit of conjunction area here. There's a potential for reversal. We didn't have the best scenario I was waiting for is breaking the 17 and holding above the 18 and continue to go higher, man. it was a perfect scenario. And even this scenario, it was perfect here around the 28th of September, when we have a hold up and the price jump almost 35%. We could have went until the 33 resistant or breakout zone to enter bullish trend at least, but we continue to go down. So yeah, this the third jump, it didn't happen for our ascending line. You see, we have four times. Imagine, man, 1, 2, and 3, and the third time we don't have a bounce. This is really crazy. Really crazy. You see, we have a bit of turning point here around 17th of August, when the price started to reverse to uptrending market. And we suggest last time here, would be a turning point around the 54. When we broke this ascending line, we said this is really bearish. That's why we suggest that the price will go around the 20 and the 15. It was, like in July. So yeah, the $1 rejection, I remember when we hit the $1.04, we tested 3 times, and I don't like this scenario because because the $1 was psychological level. Last time we tested the $1. So yeah, now Georgia, we have to watch out for the 17. This is the only way to see CI going higher and squeeze. Otherwise we continue to go down, because now we don't have a bottom yet. Of course, Pedro asked about AMC and Ape. Many of you ask about Ape, so we're gonna cover it first, of course. Mieux tard que jamais. It's better late than never. Another thought, like we have this saying in French, vaut mieux tard que jamais. Yeah, better late than never. Yeah, good one, George. I think I'm gonna memorize that. I'm gonna use it. I think the best way to learn any language is to learn phrases, not words but phrases, and you just upgrade them for your normal situation. Vaut mieux tard que jamais. Okay. Let's bring Ape. Let's bring Ape to our list of the stock. Oh man, this is really bad now. Don't like this one bit. I don't like this. No. I don't like this, man. I don't like this. Okay, let's go back in time and discuss what's going on. Yes, the $2.82 was the double top and potential squeeze to the 4. Unfortunately, we got rejected, and again broke from this ascending line, and we got the last chance for reversal. You remember, around the $2.22, when we said this is the turning point to go higher again, but we got test and price closed below. Let me just go in the smaller picture. Even in 1 hour candle, a rejection. Let me just go in a smaller picture again. Yeah, even 15 minutes. So it's clear that it is a rejection area for okay, we got rejected. Yeah, for Mira, look, we got rejected. As we said it, we don't overcome the our EMA. That's why we got rejected perfectly around our EMA for Mira. So the price broke the 90, but we always should have more than one confirmation area. The second confirmation area, we didn't get it. The price got fake out and closed below again. So you know what I'm gonna do before I go to Ape, so I will never forget. Let me just put alert for Meta, because we might see a breakout again, but this time would be a real breakout after we clear this AMA around the 90.75 cents exactly. Here we're gonna have a breakout, official breakout for Meta. Otherwise, the price will continue toward the 81 or 86. So for Ape, as we discussed it, we said the price have a potential to reverse around the $2.22. If you remember here, around the last day of October. No, the 28th of October. So it was, I think, in Friday. Yeah, it was on Friday, because let me just check. No, it was on Monday. So Friday we gapped, the price went higher, we didn't close above our breakout zone and get rejected as Meta exactly around our AMA. You see, the price broke from our resistance, but we didn't close above our AMA, got rejected, boom, perfect shorting opportunity for Ape. Price continued to go down, and guess what? Again, we broke the $1.70, test from above, confirmation for rejection, and the price continued to go down. So where are we going for Ape? Of course, we're gonna go for the bottom around the $1.49. This should be it for Ape to have a bit of buying pressure and consolidation area here. Otherwise, we're gonna go toward the $1 and maybe even below the $1. So just watch out. I will not get in now or average down or do anything unless we broke the $1.70, which is a confirmation of volatility will go back. Yes, you have to put your alerts. Perfect. Let me just use let me just go to AMC. So because if we discuss Ape, we have to discuss AMC as well. Yes, never forget to drink your water. Get hydrated. I'm not sponsored by any water company, you know. I'm just doing it just for fun, because water is my only drink actually. I don't drink soft drinks, I don't drink juice, I don't drink nothing, man. Just water. Plain simple, just water. Of course, Peter Pan, everything is possible. Everything is possible. We're gonna cover Unity in a bit. Yes, Naim, we discussed SATX and PKBO in the beginning of the video, and even we put them on our list because they have potential for the next squeeze or the next week squeeze. So before we gonna go for AMC, let me just go back for the stock that have potential to squeeze next week. Yes, first off, we discuss SATX because it's on the most gainer for today. Oh man, this one is going down toward our bottom, HUDI. So we have a potential for this stock to go around the $1 or 104. So watch out, guys. This will be visited before the market close. We might have a reversal. SATX. This one, I don't know, man. I don't know. We did 60% today. But I don't like the profile here. I don't like this barcoding area. Let me just go in a big picture. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. It doesn't look right to me. It doesn't look right. The chart, it doesn't look perfect, you know. So it'll be, yeah, maybe, yeah, the 16, yeah, maybe we get a breakout next week around the 16.15. Really great number, 16.15, yeah, or let's make it 16.60. Yeah, this will be a great breakout zone for this stock to go to the 29. Imagine, this will be a huge kick. Let me just get, yeah, another 70%. Is doable for this stock. Okay, this is doable. So I already put my alert. Thank you for bringing up this stock. And the other one on our list, or the most gainer for today, is 117% up, 17 million worth of volume. The price is $8.28 in current market now. So this one is looking healthy and good. The bottom is the $6.90. And the top, or the breakout zone for this one, is around $10.23. So the game plan for this one, it look really juicy. So the game plan for this stock, let me just bring my line. Maybe we do something here, because there's something going on with this stock. Is doing something I like. So we want to have a breakout zone pretty near. Let me just bring this line around this area. I don't know. I'll just put it here around the $8.60, first level for breakout. And of course, the bottom, or the sell-off, maybe we're gonna have a sell-off, is around the $7.88. Yes, $7.88 or $7.84. And the breakout before the market close is the $8.59. So already put it here because it's the first line of signaling for a breakout. The real breakout is above the $10. The $10, I think 30, yeah. This will happen next week, not today, I think, because we already did the huge pump for today, almost 118. A lot of people took profit already. Let's go back to AMC. AMC, what's going on? Are you kidding me? Wow, so we are already at the 5. Yes, no, we're not. Yeah, I thought like we are already around our bottom, the $4.70. Yes, no, we are around our this bottom. We already broke it. We had the $5.48. Let me just go. Yeah, we have volatility when we visit this bottom around the $5.48. So let me bring another level, or another new resistance for a new breakout. Yes. Here, so or lower this one around the $5.61. This will be a reversal area. So this one is a midway swing trade. So this is should be a quick swing trade for us. If we broke the $5.60, we might go until the $5.80 and the $5.90 test. So this one will give us a confirmation for a price continuation going down or up. Because if we get rejected around $5.60, boom, the price will go around the $4.70 next week. Let me just check how much we can do another dip. Yeah, 15%. So there's a potential for another 15% for AMC for the most like precious bottom or discount price, for my opinion, for AMC, a big discount for Christmas. If we visit the $4.70 this month, are we gonna have the $4.70? Let me know. And who gonna actually buy the dip for AMC if we visit there? It would be a really great volatility if we visit this area. Yes, DKNG is down 25%. This was madness, man. I don't believe what's happened to DKNG. The pre-market, imagine, the pre-market was around the 18. I felt like the price was squeezed around the 24. Like, what's happened? We were around the 15% up. Let me bring my level of like, now it's regular trading hours. Let me just bring the extended hours. So look what's happened here. Today we were up actually around this area. Look, we were 8% up. The market, the pre-market open, we were around the 1890, around our profit taken. As we said it before, the 1819, the price got tested in the pre-market, then we went down. And we opened here around the 14, I think. Let me just check how much we did down. Yeah, almost 25%. And the prices still continue to go down. This was crazy price action for DKNG. Now the bottom should be around this area, the $10 mark for DKNG. Here we should have a bottom and support. Look at the earnings, man. The earnings were today in the pre-market. Look, we have 35% surplus for the earnings, and for the revenue, 14%. So even for DKNG, the earnings not bad, but we got sold off even though with this good earnings. So what's going on? Like, doesn't make any sense. A lot of you like asking why, what's happening. So this is what's happened when you just check the earnings and you just bet on the earnings. Never bet on the earnings, but have another confirmation area, more confirmation. More confirmation is mean more peace of mind for us to trade. Very good. Plus the like button and the win. Don't forget this, to kick the YouTube algorithm and make our live streaming to spread like a wildfire. Good hunt, Naeem. Good hunt. Stevie. So Stevie asked about SFT. What's going on with this one? Wow, what's going on with this one? Okay, Stevie, so this one is clear to me that we have a resistance around the 60 here. We already got rejected around the $1.50. So the $1.50 is where the short came in. This one have, look, we have 3 bad earnings. So yeah, this one is have a reason to go down just fundamentally. 60 cents is our resistance. The bottom is not clear yet, so I will not touch it now. It's dangerous. I will be just watching this level of resistance. We have a potential for reversal. If we did, this means game on, and we might have a trade below the $1, which is the 85 would be tested. No worries, Carlos. It's better to be here even you're late. No worries. The most important thing is you're here and ready to hunt with us. Chris, we already talked about CI in the beginning of the video. Yes, CL, we already talked about NEO in the beginning of the video as well. We try to cover as many stocks as possible, so if the stock were already covered, you can re-watch our live streaming. Will be uploaded on our channel after we finish our live streaming, of course. So we have to save time and just cover the stock we didn't cover. Okay. Let me just check. Yes, Unity for Peter Ban. He asked about Unity software. What's going on with Unity? Let me just check this out pretty quick. Okay, down 1%. Wow. The chart, it doesn't look good to me. No, it doesn't look really good to me now. It doesn't look good. Oh, BKBO is okay. Let me just do a bit of analysis for this one, fast one. So yeah, the 32, it was a support, now is the resistance. So there's a potential for continuation for the price down for Unity because we broke the 32, so I'll not touch it. Okay, it will be a really interested for buying this stock if we overcome the 67. Otherwise, now is a bit risky. There's a potential that we're gonna go down again. PKBO, what's going on? Our alert, oh man, we got sold off. As we suggested. That's why we put alert down. So this one, it was just near either breakout up from our level here around the $8.60. We just did this alert in few minutes, and we did alert below because this is a turning point for sell-off. Now is a sell-off. So this was a great short opportunity, man. How much from there? Yeah, you lose 3%, but you gain 13%. Good, man, good trade for this one. Is really good trade. So now we might see a buying pressure around this area, the $6.90. This should be the bottom. So yeah, should be a reversal again, at least for the $7.65. If we don't hold the $6 here, $6.90, boom, sell off. Big sell-off will happen if we don't hold this support. Just watch out. Boom, boom, boom. Big red candle. Big red candle. Let me just check how much the volume. Yeah, 1K for this. Yeah, okay. Boom. Appreciate it, Naeem. Appreciate it. Thank you, Stevie. Stock Raider asked about Bitcoin climbing. Yes, let me just check cryptocurrency. Let me just, as we suggested before, we're already watching crypto project on Mixi Global, because here we got a huge list of new projects been listed on Mixi Global. So yeah, there's a potential for like swing trade for those projects because they jump in 40%. We get in, we get out with profit, then the price will reverse. So yeah, for this one have a potential as we discussed. That's why I put it on my list. We got this one as well. Let me just check the crypto on our list here, because there's a potential for reversal actually. Matic doing really crazy, 22% up. We have ATOM breakout around the 15. Ethereum, put it on my list, of course, because Ethereum just follow Bitcoin. So Bitcoin have a sell-off the moment that we actually try to break the 21. You see this one? Now we trying again. So if we close for our candle this time above the 21, this will be a genuine breakout. For Bitcoin, we need to close 4-hour candle above the 21 in order for me to buy. Otherwise, it's still a sell-off and it's still not confirmation for breakout. If we hold above the 21 with 4-hour candle, we're gonna see the 2250 or the 22500. For Ethereum, on the other hand, the 1662 is the breakout zone to go even around the 20,000. Yeah, we got a great breakout from this triangle. You see this volatility because we broke from this triangle. This one is pretty good for me. This crazy volatile breakout from the, yeah, we did it around the 1500. Yeah, the 1500 was a really great breakout. Now we just have one resistance left around the 1660. Yes, for Ethereum, the 1660 would be my interest to buy again. I'm trapping all the altcoin. You see, we got alert from above and alert from below. So I have a potential to buy or sell short for each altcoin. So I'm not missing anyone. Luna coin is coiling up as well. We got a breakout zone for Luna Classic around 2338. So there's a potential for breakout. For Dogecoin, there's one breakout left. If you remember last time we broke or we talked about this price action for Dogecoin, it was around this area. We did the chart analysis on our TradingView community. Yes. So yeah, we did this chart analysis. We said the breakout is imminent for Dogecoin to go toward the 10 cent or even higher. So that's why we suggest that the zone of breakout for Dogecoin is imminent. So yeah, it happened and the price bought back now. Yeah, we getting near the 400 followers on TradingView community. Yeah, many followers. The trip or the journey for the 1K for trading and TradingView community is on, man. We might get the 1K followers on TradingView community before the end of this year, or even 500. 500 would be good. A good challenge, you know, a good challenge to get 500 on TradingView community. So before I forget, let me just go back to Dogecoin, because Dogecoin got one level of breakout, will initiate another volatility, which is the 1298. This will be a breakout zone for Dogecoin to go toward this purple box around the 17 cent. Because Ape did good, 7%. We got Sol 8%, Matic 22%, ATOM 10%. So those the most gainer on my list here. And if we go on the other list and the coin market cap and see which one, yeah, we have Mask going in the last 24 hours 18%, UGG as well, but it's a bit cheap, 15% for this one, but it's the 400 on the rank, so I don't like this one. IMX is doing good, 14%. So yeah, we got a huge gain for many altcoin. For this one, it's doing good. Atlas, yeah, 13% in just the last hour. This is the most gainer now, but it's a bit cheap. Yeah, it's a bit cheap. Let me just check this one. Meta. Oh man, Meta now is bumping again. Yeah, now is bumping, generally bumping. It's going up now. Okay, for the chart, I don't like this one. We're already overextended. Wow, this one, it was a really nice hunt here, man. It was a perfect hunt here. Let's just check how much. Yeah, 35%. Okay, yes, elite PHUN, of course we're gonna discuss it, right? So yeah, Bitcoin is up, it's mean right is up as well. Yeah, it's just 4%. It's just 4%. This is strange, this one. Yeah, it's a bit chubby in the support area around the $5.53. So yeah, for right, we got a bit of chubbiness in the chart. You know, we don't have a really clear breakout zone. So yeah, we got just one left here, but I don't like this breakout zone around the $7. It's not clear. The clear support now is around the $4 if we don't hold the current support around $5.53. And of course, the strongest one resistant is the $11.55, but it's a bit far. So yeah, I'll be watching now. If we held the $5.50, this would be the bottom, and there's a potential for a reversal for the next week. Yeah, around the $5.47. If we hold this, it's mean game on. It's game on. We might do 30% or even 50% because Bitcoin is doing good, and everybody knows that, right? Is just follow Bitcoin behavior. Press the like button on the way in, so you never forget. This is really important for the chart and the live streaming. OTC market, ILUS. Okay. It's pretty cheap, around the 0.080. So there is a really interesting support now already being visited. Man, you gotta be more early next time when you tell me about those stocks, man. It's like now was a great bump for yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. Great bump from this bottom. Yeah, 13%. We did 13% now. So let me just take this off, bring a new resistance or breakout zone around this area. The 0.086, this would be initiation for another squeeze for this stock. 10-cent profit taken, first profit taken, yeah, 10 cents. Yeah, it would be a really good trade. Yeah, another 20%. Let me just check the most gainer for today was, oh man, this one is still bumping. Oh man, why didn't go back? Come on. We didn't go until the 104. Instead, we went until the 139. This one is really tricky. Yeah, we bought back around this area, the 143. This, yeah, 30%. Yeah, it was here, man. It was here, the 143. We didn't go there. The bias, man, the bias. When you have bias for the stock to go down to your level, it will never go there, because when you think of something, you're gonna see it. This is the trick, you know. For the chart analysis, what you want is what you see. So if you want the stock to go to a support or price action or your bottom, you're gonna see the chart like a support or level drawn in the chart. But this is bias. You see what happened? This stock, it tricked me, because I really wanted to go to my level around the 104, but it didn't. And that's why I didn't see this hidden support around the $143. So this is a good lesson, guys. This was a life lesson to me. Not to you guys, but even to me. This is, I have to like, I have to write it on my notebook, you know, because this one is eye-opener for me. So yeah, I think we're gonna have the 200 mark for HUDI. Yeah, 190, 190, 200, 200 will be the target. Oh man. Now I feel FOMO, you know? Yes. Good lesson. Good lesson. Yes, the last 5 minutes of the market. The last 5 minutes. You see, that's when it bought back again. It bought back again after this. NIO, it broke our resistance. Oh man, this is good reaction for NIO. This is a really good reaction before the market closing above the $11.63. We did today 16%, and the earnings of next week. The earnings of NIO next week. That's why we got a pump before the earnings. Luna Classic is bumping above this resistance. Yes. It's doing crazy now. Luna Classic is pretty volatile. So if you bought around this breakout zone, we might see a pullback. Yeah, 2%. Yeah, not bad. So let me just put this here. We might do a trade for now for Luna Classic. Let me just check. Another 2%. Yeah, huge pullback. I don't like this. Yes, NIO doing really great. It's better than Tesla. Tesla is really hammered down now. 3% down. Huge dip down for Tesla. Yes, NIO is winning now. Meta is still holding the 90. So yeah, it's doing good for Meta as well. For Baba is bumping, holding above the $68. What else? For Apple is kind of bumping from this bottom or ascending line. So this should be the bottom for Apple if we're gonna have a continuation for bullish momentum for the next week, should be the bottom for Apple. You see, this one should be the bottom, otherwise we're gonna have a dip, a really nice dip around the 102. There's some stock you can't touch, is a bit dangerous. Like this one, let me just check this one. AMC $5.62, hit our scan now. $5.62, $5.62, yes, bumping from the mini resistance. This is good. This is looking good now. Yeah, closing above the $5.62. MULN still holding. So yeah, MULN still holding a really great bottom. The 0.26 cent still holding around the 0.28 cent. Yes, NIO is still bumping. Really good bump for NIO. We might have the $14 actually next week. Hopefully we don't have a gap down for the next week, because I don't like the shoppiness here. For this price action, wasn't not looking good. It's not good to day trade NIO on this area, you know. Swing trade okay, but day trade is you get cut in this choppiness, you know. After the $11.66, we might have a more clean trade, you know, more clean trade to the $14.25 or 25 cents. Yeah, we are about to close now, just the last few minutes. Yeah, the market just closed now. And the after hours, yeah, we got a huge selling pressure here. Let me just check. Yeah, we did not bad this week. Yeah, not that bad. We end up in green, so this is good. But I will be looking for the stock that have a huge selling pressure, like DKNG, 27% down, nearing this bottom. So we might have a great reversal for the next week for DKNG. We got Riot is visiting an important bottom with the cryptocurrency is reversing, so there's a potential for Riot to reverse, because this is a great bottom. If we hold the $5.53, we might do a great pump for Riot. Yeah, another 20% near the $7.70. This one, ILUS, is a bit cheap, but it's promising, because if we held this current support and broke the zero, oh man, this bumping now after hours, is bumping after hours, man, is bumping. Thank you for bringing this up. This is looking really juicy for ILUS, but it's a pretty volatile and pretty like an after hours. You see, after hours is a bit volatile. So if we hold the support here, is mean this one will pump. Yes, after hours, oh man, now it's bumping now. This one is bumping. After hours is breaking the resistance, the 0.080. So yeah, I will put this on my list, because next week we're gonna see a huge volatility for this one to go to 10 cents. So my price target for this stock is the 10 cent. I will put my alert around this area. We might even test this in after hours, you never know. Let me just check Unity. No, I will never test this one. SFT I will never test this one or touch it. AMC, there's a potential here if we held this current support. Yes, there is a potential here. I will just put alert around the $5.59. This would be a reversal. Let me just check. Ape, okay, we get a huge bottom here. So we'll put my alert around the $1.38. If we broke it, it's mean game over. CEI, no, not now. GSAT, yes, because we have a reversal from the support. Emulan, of course, because we are around the bottom, the 20 cent. Okay, and the breakout zone for Emulan next time is the 32 cent, not the 36. Neo is doing alright. If we hold $11.56, there is a potential for the 14. So yes, this is MAT. Yes, MAT have a breakout. We already got near the $1.46. This will be a breakout for the next week, as we suggested. RVPH, yes, still around the $5. As we said, we're still holding the $4.42. Profit taken next time around the $5.69. Okay, what we got? PayPal, man, went to our support or bottom around the 68. We discussed in the pre-market on our Patreon today. Yeah, the 6, it was around the 6, yeah. So PayPal, where's PayPal? Oh, it was, I think, the last one. Yes, this one, 68. Yeah, the 68 we said will be a great bottom for PayPal. So yeah, was a great hunt for us for PayPal, because the price in pre-market went until the 66. Then when the market opened, went until the 75. We got near our profit taken, the 77. So I'll put it on my watch list, this one as well. So yeah, we did a really great hunt for today. Let me know which stock you hunted. We're gonna do a video update for the old stock on our list again, and we do update for the price action before Monday, as usual, on Sunday. And we might do like a crypto update for Saturday and even Sunday. About the price level breakout for the whole cryptocurrency. Already put them on my list. I have updated the level. You see, for ATOM, Matic, and the other altcoin, there is a huge turning point. Just from looking for Bitcoin, and because we just broke out from the 21,000 again. Oh man, now is turning point. Yeah. We have now we have kind of confirmation for a breakout for Bitcoin. So yeah, we have to do update, urgent update for Bitcoin, because I see something going on, man. I see something going on with crypto. We might have the bottom or the reversal is happening now. So thank you for watching and attending our live streaming. As usual, each Friday we do our live streaming. We might try to do live streaming the next week more earlier to make more viewers from the Asia and America to watch, because sometimes it's a bit hard in the part of the world, because I'm in Europe, in the Goldilocks of the stock market, you know. For me is okay, it's not too late, it's not too early. So press the like button before you get out. And at the same time, if you have any question or it didn't cover your stocks, just leave it in the comment section below. I will try to cover it in the coming video. So hopefully you have a nice weekend, and see you in the next update.